that people across the nation and across our state are deeply concerned about this new virus.
Coronavirus continues to spread across the country and here at home in Illinois. Good evening, I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jessica Coons. Jennifer is off tonight. Public Health announced a fifth person has tested positive in Illinois, again in the Chicago area. This fifth case is a 20-year-old man who traveled to Italy, but it's a different case that has leaders concerned. The two cases before this one announced today were those of a married couple in their 70s. And while we know the fourth person got the virus from their spouse, leaders say there's a possibility the third may have picked up coronavirus right here in Illinois. WCIA 3's Gabrielle Franklin has more.
At this time, health officials can't confirm whether the third individual picked up COVID-19 during his travels in that state or here in Illinois.
Governor Pritzker and Public Health Director Dr. Ngozi Ezike are preparing the state for the possibility of the coronavirus spreading.
Public health officials are taking measures to contain the virus among those who have tested positive, but we're also preparing for the virus to circulate in the community. We're working with hospitals to assess bed capacity and inventory the amount of protective gear that we have on hand.
The state's emergency management agency says counties around the state are getting ready now.
Local emergency managers are currently updating and preparing to implement their continuity plans. The goal of the continuity plan is to ensure the entities are able to provide essential functions during an all-hazard emergency or a disaster.
Area agencies aren't the only ones getting prepared. Public health and emergency management are also briefing lawmakers, calling on them to keep their communities up to speed.
We got to be vigilant on it, and we have to make sure that we're taking all the precautions, and we're being transparent and open on communications, which was good about today's meeting. That we have a good meeting with the governor's office and his team to talk about this.
That was Gabrielle Franklin reporting. Governor Pritzker says the state is monitoring and updating the way it handles the virus every day. He says he's been keeping in touch with the CDC and has spoken to Vice President Mike Pence twice to monitor the spread. Public Health is encouraging people to use common sense when it comes to containing the virus. They say you should stay home if you're not feeling well, cough into a tissue, then throw that away. And of course, always wash your hands with hot water and soap. They say not to worry about buying a face mask. Doctors say those masks may not provide the protection you would need to protect yourself.